morning. It is Tuesday, June 9th. My plan for today is to get a handle on this one. So this is a custom that I received this commission when I did the event in Hockley at the Oaks out there. So this is now going to be a 4-part handle. So basically this gentleman liked the shape of the Santoku I had and really liked the handle on the Nakiri that we still have, the all green one, but loved the marbled carbon fiber. So we're using the carbon fiber, but it's not thick enough to get him the girth that he wanted. So we're using some coarse black G10 as basically as a thick liner just to beef that up. So it will now be a 4-part handle, boom, but you'll still get the gorgeous of the black marbled carbon fiber. So my plan for today, Trevor helped me out with this on Saturday. Daniel had to leave early for a surprise birthday party, happy birthday, to one of his friends. And so Trevor helped me get this cut. We had a super busy evening. We literally had customers in the showroom until after 6 o'clock. Last couple hours were super crazy. Trevor was a huge help. And so he got both of these pieces cut for me, well, all 4 of these pieces cut technically. And so we just ran out of time to actually get it drilled and get it glued up. So first thing I'll do today is get all 4 of those pieces drilled, get it glued up, and then let it sit. And I have some computer work to do, but I want to get that done before I sit down in front of the computer, just so I can feel like I actually got something done. But end of the month happens, we have the sales tax stuff to do, just that regular admin that we have to do, or the government doesn't like it. So I'm gonna sit down and take care of all that, and do some reporting and that kind of thing, just to see where we are, because we're now into June, and those are just things that need to happen. So that is my plan for today. I'll do a little bit of filming on this guy as I'm drilling it and shaping it up, and then I'll get onto the computer work. Have a great day. Good morning, it's Wednesday, June 10th. So like my plan, I got this guy glued up yesterday. I chose to put lots of clamps on it because it was a 2-part lamination, so I just wanted to make sure that that's a nice tight seam, and so far it's looking good. So later on today, I will take that one up through the grits, hopefully get it ready for hand sanding, and get the Kydex going for it. Otherwise, I got Spyderco done yesterday in stock, very excited. So we now have our Spyderco line. This is not everything that we are going to be carrying. Some things were back ordered, other things were already out because of the sprint runs, but this is cool. So like they do a cool Salt series knife, their patented H1 steel. Just a little bit of everything. We got some of their FRN, we got some of their G10, carbon fiber on a couple, titanium on one. So super stoked to have them in and have them in stock. So come check us out. Check it out on the website. They should be live now as well. And I'll see everyone tomorrow. Good morning. It is Thursday, June 11th. Yesterday I got this guy up to hand sanding. So today I will be hand sanding that one. I'll also start the grind lines on the next customs I have to finish, which are steak knives. They are right here. So this is for Bryce and Courtney. I just done their 5-year anniversary kitchen knife, and so now they're adding to their steak knife collection. So I will be grinding on those as well. yesterday was a good day. I got some more knives in stock, and we had a bunch of sharpening come through, so I didn't have time to do too much of other things. Oh, I did actually get, I forgot, I got this almost to grinding, to polishing, so I'll finish that one up on 400 and then buff it, and I'll be able to put a handle on that one as well. So, good day yesterday, and more of the same today. Have a great day. See everyone tomorrow. Good morning. It is Friday, June 12th. Yesterday, I got some good work on grind lines done. So these were just post-heat treat. So they were completely black, and I got all 6 of them ground to 120 grit. Only broke one belt in the process of doing it, but I was super cheap, so I just turned it around the other way. So basically what happened is one of the corners ripped off of the belt because I nicked it. So I just peeled it off, still had one good corner on the belt, and used it on the other side just the same way. But hey, and then I'm really considering using this really bright guy made for us by Bradford Hunt and Design for this cool Santoku. So more than likely I'll end up putting that on today, unless I, for whatever reason, change my mind and say, hey, I'm using something else. So grinding 6 steak knives, getting this handle on, and hopefully getting some website work done. We're combining some different products, or the same version, different colors of the same version of knives, to kind of condense our SKU list on the website. So if I have time, I'll be doing some of that as well. That is my plan for today. I'll see everyone tomorrow. That's all I have for today. Good morning. It is Saturday, June 13th. I got this guy hand sanded yesterday, buffed. I cleaned up the Kydex, so what I will be doing today is putting the final edge on it and calling the customer for pickup. Super stoked about that, as always. All 6 of the steak knives are now at 220 grit. They're down to the thickness I look for. They're all looking good, all a little bit different the way I like them. I don't like them to be all exact, but their grind lines meet up side to side, which is what I go for. But the whole set doesn't have to have the exact same grind on it, as long as they're similar is kind of what I like. And then we had sold one of these guys to a sous chef with Uchi, I believe it is, and so it's another thick spine K-tip Giotto with a rectangular handle. I happen to make a couple of these, so I picked that one up. It was already ground at about 80, so I thinned it down some more at 80, and I'm at 120 right now, and just thinning it down and getting this homogeneous. You can see that difference in there. The last 80 I used was a J-Flex, so it kind of bounces. So I've got to basically re-flatten it on a Y-weight 120. It happens occasionally when you use different belts, but we are in desperate need. See, we only have a few 60s and a few 80s left, so we're in a desperate need for another belt order, which we will be doing tomorrow. Not tomorrow, Tuesday, the next working day. It's kind of like tomorrow, right? So yeah, so plan for today is get the Santoku all finished up, get the steak knives farther along in the polishing process, and see if I can get a handle on this guy. I did also yesterday was a great day. Oh, it's behind other knives. I got the really bright orange handle on the Santoku for stock. Stoked about that. And so Tuesday will be a day of doing some handle shaping for knives for stock, which will be exciting, and placing some orders. We have to do an Amazon order and a belt order and a steel order, and we have to search for some handle material for some customs. So Tuesday will be a lot of admin for buying things, which we need things to make knives. It happens. So looking forward to today. It's been a great week, lots of sharpening coming in. Yeah, absolutely had a great week, so looking forward to the weekend and having some fun. Well, having some different kind of fun, I should say. So have a great weekend, stay safe, stay cool, and I'll see everyone on Tuesday. Thank you.